Hello students, myself Ranjana Verma from St. Michael's Academy. Today I am going to discuss exercise questions of the chapter 1 Circulatory System class 5th. So first question is match the column. First, brings blood from the upper body to the heart. Brings blood from the upper body to the heart, the aorta. Second question, carries blood from the heart to the body, superior vena cava, superior vena cava. Third, brings blood from the lower body to the heart, inferior vena cava. Upper chamber of the heart, atrium. Lower chamber of the heart, ventricle. Okay children. Next question, true false. We will choose the true false. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. True. The aorta carries blood from the heart to the lungs. False. Third questions, vein carry blood from the lungs to the left atrium. False. Number 4, the left ventricle pushes blood into the aorta. True. Number 5, the walls of the heart are thick and muscular. True. Okay. Next question, fill in the blanks. The biggest artery in the body is the aorta. The right side of the heart has blood poor in oxygen. यहाँ fill in the blanks में क्या भरोगे? Right side. Okay. Third question, blood loses dash and the peaks of oxygen in the lungs, carbon dioxide. Fourth question is, the throbbing of the arteries with the heartbeat is called the pulse. Okay. 5 question, the dash in the heart allow blood to flow only one way. क्या? Valve. Okay. Now second question, write short answer. Question, where in the body is the heart located? In the body, the heart is located in the chest between the lungs and is tilted a little to the left. Second question is the name the chambers of the heart. हम लोग पढ़े थे ना, chambers, 4 chambers होते हैं. तो answer is, the chambers of the heart are left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle and right ventricle. What is the function of, third question is, what is the function of valve? Answer, the valves are like one-way doors that allow blood to flow only in one direction from the atria to the ventricles. Okay. Fourth question is, how are arteries different from veins? कैसे arteries veins से different है? तो arteries are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body, whereas the veins are vessels that carry blood to heart from different parts of the body. Okay. Now 5 question. Mention 2 things that are important for a healthy heart. Answer is, 2 things that are important for a healthy heart are a healthy diet and good sleep. Now question number E. Explain briefly. Question first, what is the main function of blood? So answer is, the main function of blood is to carry things around the body. It carries first digested food from the small intestine to different parts of the body. Second point, oxygen from the lungs to different parts of the body. Third point, waste from different parts of the body to the kidneys. Now second question is, how does blood circulate between the heart and lungs? Answer is, the oxygenated blood is carried to the left atrium by the veins from the lungs. It flows into the left ventricle through the valve between the left atrium and left ventricle when the heart is relaxed. When the heart is contracts, blood is pushed into the aorta from the left ventricle and into the artery to the lungs from the right ventricle. In this way, blood circulates between the heart and lungs. Question number 3. What is a heartbeat? How is it related to the pulse? Answer is, one complete cycle of the heart contracting and relaxing is called a heartbeat. It is related to pulse as when the heart beats, the arteries also beat. They expand with the rush of the blood pushed into them by the heart and then relax. Thus, the arteries throb with each heartbeat, and in the way we can check the pulse. Okay. So whatever I have taught, we will note down in fair copy and learn it. Okay. Thank you.